Now that you understand the basics of AI automation builds, we will discuss your next steps. First, let's talk about tokens. As mentioned earlier, tokens in VoiceFlow are the currency that the AI model runs off of, and they cost money. But just so you know, they are very cheap. By default, VoiceFlow gives new users 2 million tokens to use within 14 days as a free trial. To understand tokens better, let's ask VoiceFlow's customer support agent how tokens work within VoiceFlow. So here I am in the designer of one of our builds. I'm just going to click this little widget in the bottom right corner. And from here, we can ask questions. I'm going to say, how do tokens work in VoiceFlow? Here we have, in VoiceFlow, tokens are units of text used by AI models to process and generate responses. Here's a breakdown of how tokens work. So, a token is a piece of text which can be short as one character or long as one word. For example, the word VoiceFlow would be considered one token. Tokens are used in the steps that require AI. So, set AI and response AI in VoiceFlow. As you can see here, tokens are used both in the input, what you said to the AI, and the output, what the AI sends back. So any blocks that don't have a response or set AI step aren't using tokens, so they are running completely for free. Here is the breakdown of token multipliers for different models. You can see the cheapest is GPT 3.5 Turbo at 0.6x, GPT 4 Turbo at 12x, GPT 4 at 25x, and so on. So as you can see, GPT 4 will use 25 times more tokens than GPT 3.5 for the same question. Using the knowledge base also consumes tokens. A question and answer will use anywhere from 800 to 1500 tokens depending on the size of the question and answer. The response AI step with memory uses 150 to 2000 tokens, and the response AI step without memory uses roughly 150 to 300 tokens. Now you don't really have to worry about what this means, what these numbers are, and trying to equate them. They are very cheap, and you can always optimize your workflows to use cheaper models or use less AI steps to get the best bang for your buck. If you want to check out your token usage, you could come down to this little AI tab down here, and you can see currently I've used 23,000 out of 2 million tokens, and that's creating everything that we've used for our demos. It's really not a big number. If I wanted to add tokens, 2 million tokens is $5. 4 million is $10. So they're very cheap. So from here, here's what you should be doing. Create an AI automation demo for the business you've selected in your niche, and then proceed to the next category to use your demo in AI automated outreach. But before you do that, post your demo in the demo build reviews channel and then proceed to outreach. The team will take a look at your demo and give you feedback. The 2 million tokens that VoiceFlow gives you will be enough to get a demo going, but if you end up running out, you can create a new account and get more free tokens and use templates from the demos you've already created in your new account. I'll show you how to do this in the next lesson.